Who dares defile this ancient land? Who dares the wrath of Cenarius and the Night Elves? Let battle be joined.
The forest is coming alive! We're under attack!
What do you want? Something need doing? We're under attack! Our town is under attack!
Demon-spawned wretches, you will all die!
What do you want? Work.
I can wait no longer.
Yes. Okie
Our
dokie.
town is under attack!
I can do that. Something need doing?
Avengers for Surge.
Their numbers are too great! We must fall back to the other side of the river!
War Chief.
Our town is under
Be
attack!
happy to.
War Chief. I can wait no
Avengers for
longer.
Surge.
Work.
I defeated your kind in ages past, and I shall do so again.
What do you want? Work. I can do that. Be happy to. Okie dokie. Yes.
Research
Avengers
complete.
for
Our
Surge.
town is under attack!
Work complete. Something need doing? Work complete. Yes. Work.
I can wait no longer.
Our town is under attack!
hear the summons. Avengers for Surge. Where you want me go? You seek me help?
Work complete. What do you want? I can do that.
War Chief.
Be happy to.
Our
Research
town is
complete.
I
under
can
attack!
wait no longer.
You cannot defeat me. I am the heart of the land.
Research complete.
I can wait no
What
longer.
will be craven?
Work complete. Yes. Okie dokie.
Our town is under attack!
War Chief.
Research complete.
My life for the Horde.
Work complete.
Whatever you say.
Right away. That be good choice, man. Tas dingo.
War Chief.
Work complete. What do you want? I can do that.
Now, my warriors, cleanse these brutes from the wilds. I will watch over you from the forest.
Ready to ride.
Finally. Whatever you say. Finally.
Our town is under attack!
I can wait no longer. Whatever you say.
We're under attack!
I'm ready to work.
Research complete! Research complete! Our town is under attack! Research complete! Let none survive!
Say the word. War Chief.
What would be craven?
No longer.
Vengeance for Surgeon.
Hell scream! I sense a dark power emanating from the wilderness. It might be a key to destroying Cenarius.
Something need doing. Ready to work. Vengeance for Be happy to. Huh? Work, work. Ready to work. Something need doing.
Ready to rise! Yes, chieftain!
I can wait no longer.
Vengeance for Surgeon.
Finally. Whatever you say. I'll consider it.
We're under attack!
War Chief, direct me.
What do you want? Yes. Be happy to. Okie dokie.
I can wait no longer. Finally. War Chief.
How may I
Work
serve?
complete.
That'll be good choice, man.
Work complete.
Research complete!
War Chief. I can wait no longer.
Research complete!
Work complete. Work complete.
How can I help?
Vengeance for Surgeon.
Research complete! Research complete!
War Chief. I'll consider it.
My life for the Horde!
Yes. I can do that. Work, work. Work
Whatever
complete.
you say.
What would be
Work complete.
My life for the Horde!
right away?
Yes.
I can wait no
Yes,
longer.
War Chief.
Understood. My life for the Horde!
Hello.
How can I
Can I
help?
help you?
War Chief. Whatever you
Our
say.
town is under attack!
I can wait no longer.
My life
Something
for the
in
Horde!
Be happy to.
What do you want? Research complete!
Vengeance
Yes,
for
War
Surgeon.
Chief. Say the word.
War Chief. I can wait no longer. I can wait no longer. War Chief. Finally.
Vengeance for
We're complete.
something.
I can wait no
My
longer.
life for the Horde.
I'll consider it.
What do you want? Okie dokie. We're under attack! Something need doing? I can do that.
War Chief.
Yes.
I can wait no longer.
Direct me.
War Chief. Whatever you say.
Someone call for the doctor?
Right away.
Hear the summons.
I can wait no
We're
longer.
complete.
Me help?
Direct me.
Say the
War
word.
Chief.
How may I serve?
Work, work. Be happy too.
Someone call for the doctor?
I can wait no longer.
Yes.
You seek me
I
help?
can wait no longer.
How can I help?
Our town is under attack!
Ready to ride.
Vengeance for Sultan.
Yes, chieftain.
What you want me to do? Need something.
War Chief.
What you be craving?
How can I help?
Wait no longer. I'll consider it.
Vengeance for Sultan.
War Chief.
Say the word.
I can wait no longer.
Ready to ride.
Hear the summons.
What do you want? We're under attack! Work.
War Chief.
Direct me.
War Chief.
Finally.
I'll consider it.
Vengeance for
Whatever you
Yes,
say.
War Chief. Finally. Finally. Yes. Work complete.
Hear the summons.
Yes.
I can wait no longer. I can wait no longer. War Chief. War Chief. I'll consider it. I can wait no longer. Whatever you say. I'll consider it.
What you be
War
craving?
Chief.
You seek me help?
I can wait no longer. War Chief, whatever you say, I can wait no longer.
Finally. Finally.
What you want me to do?
Why?
Need something.
Work complete.
Who you want me kill?
Yes, chieftain.
War Chief,
Direct me.
I can wait no longer. Whatever you
Yes,
say,
War Chief.
I'll consider it.
How can I help?
Foul orcs! The Burning Masters charged us with protecting this well. You are unworthy of drinking from these dark waters.
I don't know what you are or who you serve, but no one bars my way.
War Chief,
Direct me.
I can wait no longer.
Yes?
The pool emanates great power. But I smell this stench of a demon curse about it.
I am cursed already. If I must drink from these waters to defeat Cenarius, then I will.
No, that goes against everything the War Chief teaches us. We can't let rage overcome us again.
No, warrior. We must embrace it as never before. We must become the vessels of destruction that we were meant to be. Yes! I feel the power once again. Come, my warriors. Drink from the dark waters, and you will be reborn.
You seek me help?
I can wait no longer. War Chief.
Master?
How can I help?
War Chief.
Yes? Okie dokie.
I can wait no longer.
Let's ride!
I hear the summons.
Chieftain, these creatures press us hard, and the demigod still lurks in the forest. How can we possibly defeat him?
Weak-minded coward, nothing is invincible. If we are to live, then this Cenarius must die.
How may I say?
I can wait no longer. War Chief.
Where you want me to go?
Yes? We're under attack!
I can wait no longer.
I hear the summons.
Fire. Work complete, Michael. What do you want?
You seek me help?
Yes? We're under attack!
How may I serve? I hear the summons.
Chief.
Something you're doing? I can do that. My life for a
What will be proven? What will be proven? You seek me
I
help?
can wait no
My
longer.
life for the Horde.
I'll consider it.
How can I help?
War Chief.
I hear the summons.
Whatever you say.
How may I serve?
My
I
life
hear
for
the
the Horde.
summons.
My
I
life for
can
the
wait no
Horde.
longer.
How may I serve?
Whatever you say.
Demons did their job well. You creatures are as reckless and bloodthirsty as they ever were.
We orcs are free, demigod.
Is that what you tell yourself? Despite what you may believe, you are no better than the malignant bile that flows through your veins. Even spawned wretches, you will all die!
We need more coal.
Whatever you
What
say.
do you want? Okie dokie.
War Chief.
What do you want? My life for the Horde. Storm, earth, and fire. My call. Master.
How may I serve?
Now! What do you want?
I can live no longer. Finally.
You seek me help?
War Chief.
What do you want? My life for the Horde. Be happy to.
I can wait no longer.
Storm, ready to ride. Fire. Heed my call. What do you want? Yes.
Just consumed you. War Chief.
Ready to ride?
Someone already know?
I can wait no
How
longer.
may I serve? I hear there's someone.
I can wait no longer. War Chief. I'll consider it.
Direct me. Ready to ride.
I can wait no longer.
Someone already know?
Vengeance consumed you. I'll consider it.
The sun survive. Build more burrows. Yes, Chieftain.
War Chief.
What will be craving? Someone already know?
We're under attack.
I can wait no longer.
I hear there's someone.
Yes, War Chief.
Need something. Master?
War Chief.
How can I help?
How may I serve? Right away.
War Chief.
You seek me help?
Finally.
Work complete.
Whatever you say.
My life for the Horde.
Whatever you say. I'll consider it.
Say the word.
I can wait no longer. War Chief.
You seek me
I
help?
can wait no longer. Finally. Finally. Whatever you say.
What you be craving? That be good choice,
War
man.
Chief.
How may I serve?
I'll consider it. I'll consider it. I can wait no longer.
I hear there's someone. You seek me
I
help?
defeated your kind in ages past, and I shall do so again.
demigod has fallen. The war song is supreme. Hello again, Gramash. Manaroth, it can't be. I've come to bring you and your brethren back into the fold. Though you orcs failed the Burning Legion before, you will now serve us once again. No, we are free. Stupid, pitiful creature. I am the rage in your heart. I am the fury of your thoughts. I alone empowered you to bring chaos to this world, and by the endless void you shall.